Thibitari cia andu kiumbe iria ciakungirie wara na kuheana riboti cia maigirira kuri ruhonge rwa NHIF na kwandika riboti ya maheni ya kuonania ni matangikiire arwaru iri na matanya ma kwamukira mbeca na njira ya ngungo ni ikuigwo utheri-ini.
Good morning.
Kuringana na MINISTA wa UGIMA wa MWIRI ADEN DUALE ni ati kuri na thibitari ikoretwo igitia thirikari marihi ma NHIF kuhitukira rekodi cia maheni iria cianeanirwo guku akiuga uthuthuria ni urikitie gutabanio.
The system that we are developed will read out quack doctors, quack facilities. We have an element called in the system track and trace that will trace even the drugs that are dispensed in our healthcare facilities across the country.
DUALE oigite thirikari ni kungethanira na thibitari ta icio iria iragarara mawatho gukwa gikinyiriria. Ica ikuhi thibitari icio ni ikuhithuranio kumana na kwenda gukungia wara guku ningi akiruta mukana kuri arigitani aria marakinyaniria motungata ma urigitani matari na marua.
We are done with everything. Very few health providers in our country with high integrity who care about the safety and the ethics of their patients, including our healthcare workers, will be found in Kenya.
DUALE aritie hindi ya gwikiranira uiguano gatagati-ini ka ministry na thibitari wa Aga Khan wigie uheani wa motungata ma ucenjia wa higo na motungata ma ngoro maria mariheanagwo thibitari-ini uyu rungu rwa mubango wa SHA.
Doing Kenya shillings 700,000 for the whole, and for the KANDI we are doing 1,100,000. Is that okay with you?
Maya mahanikite riri thibitari cia andu kiumbe hamwe na cia makanitha ikoretwo ikirandura thirikari muigana wa ciringi bilioni 33 iria ciahuthikire urigitani-ini wa arwaru hindi ya mubango wa NHIF.
Never again will Kenyans be treated by quacks. Never again will Kenyans go to a facility that does not look like a health facility.
Such a pleasure.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.